Assalamualaikum friends, Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas. Friends, Christmas tree, luxury, white and silver. Stunning white and silver Christmas tree that glowing with elegance, crystal elements, shimmering ribbons and cool lights create a dreamy winter wonderland feel. Bright colors, playful ornaments and twinkly lights. This Christmas tree is all about fun decoration, make it the perfect tree for kids, full of personality and festive cheer. Rustic wonderland and nature-inspired Christmas tree with wooden ornaments, pinecone and a soft nature tones bring the beauty of the forest in dark, cozy, claiming and full of charm. This tree celebrates the heart of Christmas color and bold red, deep green and shimmering lights, such a traditional look that brings warm and pure holiday joy. Modern minimal, a clean and modern Christmas tree with simple ornaments, soft lights and a clean color palette. It brings holiday charm without overwhelming the space, beautiful, balanced and effortless stylish. This tree brings pure elegance to the room, layer of golden ornament, shimmering ribbon and warm lights create a luxury holiday look perfect for anyone who loves Christmas with a touch and snow winter theme. Here's a Christmas tree inspired by a snow winter morning, forest branches, silver and cool white lights give it a peaceful ice glow. It feels like a quiet snowfall captured right inside your home. And here's and friends, and this Christmas tree is all about warm, cozy, traditional, soft golden light, classic red ornaments and touch of evergreens comes together to create that timeless holiday feeling we all love. Simple, glowing and full of Christmas magic and reveals candlelight glow. This Christmas tree feel like a warm candlelight evening, soft golden lights, delicate ornament and gentle shadows creating a claiming intimate holiday atmosphere. It's the kind of tree that make every moment feel soft and sweet. Forest green magic, deep forest green, natural texture and woodland ornaments bring the Christmas tree to life. It feels like stepping into a quiet winter forest where every branches hold a bit of holiday magic. And modern makes a blend of gold and silver and creative a standing material look on this Christmas tree. Silk, modern and stylish, these designs shine from every inches, making the tree feel like a holiday masterpiece. So friends, Allah Hafiz, thanks for watching my channel and thanks for watching my